Springboard and DataCamp are two of the most popular learning platforms. In this video, we will do a comparison of the two platforms. DataCamp is an online learning platform that has over 400 courses related to data analysis and data science. These courses include both paid as well as free courses. Springboard is an online learning platform that prepares students for most in-demand careers of tech industry. All the courses on Springboard offer a professional mentorship, which helps you learn from those already working in the industry. DataCamp provides an extensive library of real-life case studies to the students. Both the platforms offer the students certificates. Springboard offers you career coaches that help you prepare for interview or improve your resume. Courses on Springboard consist of UX design, data science, software engineering and machine learning. These courses are 100% online, self-paced and take 3, 6, or 9 months to complete. DataCamp, on the other hand, offers only courses related to data science that are made by a relative professional. Springboard offers its students discounts and scholarships, while DataCamp does not offer either.